Leaps machine, Leaps procedure. You can buy them at the doctor's toy store. We've got Valley Lab, we've got Bovie, we've got Ellman. A lot of people really like the Ellman. It's radio frequency. It doesn't create the real hot heat that does the damage. It's more of a radio frequency. Basically, when you do the Leaps procedure, you're taking off a little piece of skin to the cervix. You can either freeze it off, burn it off. I did know a urologist years ago who used to bite them off, but I don't think they're doing that anymore. I think the reimbursement's not there. But anyhow, this is the little wand they use. It looks like a little wire, kind of like a cheese cutter, because everything, unfortunately, that happens with women, it happens right around the cervix, the HPV, human papillomavirus. So this goes in and just kind of shaves off like cheese the HPV on the outside of the cervix. You can also freeze it off. We have the cryo guns here. We got the Wallach, Cooper, and Lysogang here at the office showroom. So anyhow, this is kind of how it works. You basically, let's say this is the cervix. Come zoom in here. You basically go right over the area, then you go down, press the on button. So that would be one piece out of the way. We're gonna go do another piece. Okay, you see how it works? So that's how it works. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I did stay at a Motel 6. So for demonstration purposes, I can show you how it works. This is also really good for, you know, the people with the big noses, the older, I don't know, alcoholics you could say, or the people with the big noses. This also can shave the noses down where it comes down very nice. There's a lot of cosmetic things you can do with the Ellman, all based on the tips and the power. The doctor's toy store has all of your Bovies for all of your needs, for surgery, for skin tags, moles, keratosis, warts. So call 877-DRS Toys today. We buy your excess equipment, we sell your equipment, and we're conveniently located between Fort Lauderdale and Miami airports. So visit us today. Call today.